Cipher Mining spent 3 years going absolutely nowhere. Then one metric started climbing before the price did. Here's what it saw. This is CIFR, Cipher Mining, a Bitcoin mining stock. 5 years of weekly data. Predictability, 18%. And this chart is the clearest demonstration of what the sliding window actually does that we've ever put on this channel. Look at the price chart first. Intervals 1 through 200, roughly 2020 to late 2024. Price starts around $10. Drops to basically zero, then flatlines for 3 years. CIFR just sits there between $1 and $5, dead money. The average line is at 560 and stock can barely reach it. Bitcoin goes up, CIFR barely moves. Bitcoin goes down, CIFR bleeds. Energy costs, mining economics are brutal. 18.2% predictability score over 5 years. The data couldn't find a pattern because there wasn't one. Now ignore the price chart for a second. Look at the sliding window FSR at the bottom. It starts around 75%, then spends 3 years grinding lower, down to 60%, down to 50%. By window 205, it hits 25%. The stock is structurally at its weakest point mathematically, then something changes. The FSR starts climbing, 25, 35, 35 to 50, 50 to 65, 65 to 75. The sliding window is recovering. Structurally, the stock is finding its mathematical footing again. And here are the critical parts. This is happening before the price does anything significant. Now look at the price chart at the same moment. Still flat, still near zero. The FSR is calling a structural recovery. The price hasn't even confirmed yet. Then the price moves. $2 becomes $5, $5 becomes $10, $10 becomes $20. By the right edge of the chart, CIFR has gone from dead money to a 10 times move off the lows. But the FSR saw the setup forming before any of those catalysts were obvious in the price. This is what the sliding window is actually for. Not just measuring stability after the fact, but identifying when a structurally broken stock is mathematically rebuilding its foundation before the price confirms it. Most technical indicators are reactive. They show you what already happened. The FSR sliding window showed you CIFR's structure recovering at window 205, while the price was still sitting at $2. That's the difference between buying at $2 and buying at $20. 18.2% predictability over 5 years tells you CIFR is not a stock you hold forever. It's a Bitcoin cycle play, pure and simple. When Bitcoin runs, CIFR amplifies it. When Bitcoin corrects, CIFR gets crushed. Sliding window right now is sitting at 75% and climbing. That's the highest structural reading in 5 years. The question isn't whether CIFR has momentum. It clearly does. The question is whether you caught it at $2 or you're chasing at 20. All this runs on predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. This is the tool that caught CIFR's structural recovery before the price did. Are you in CIFR or did you miss this move? Drop a comment, subscribe. More of these breakdowns coming all the time. Thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next one.